Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I just got this maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just picked it up from the store because I did have it hot stamped, and I did have to leave it over there, and I haven't had time to go and pick it up. So today I went to go pick it up, and yeah, so let's just get right into the video. So it comes in the little box, of course, and in the dust bag, and the wallet that I got is the Emilie wallet. This is in the Damier Azur print with the pink Ballerine interior. And the reason I picked this wallet up was because I do have the Never Full MM in the Damier Azur with the rose ballerine interior as well. So I did want to match it. As you can see, it has the pink interior. And then let me show you the inside. So it has 4 card slots here, 2 over here, 2 over here. And here it just says Louis Vuitton and my initials. And the inside, it has 1 flap here, this bigger compartment, another flap, and then the zipper for change, or if you want to keep like other coins in here. And in here I just have the little tag it comes with, and then the I guess like the care instructions or whatever you want to call it. And I always keep these in my bag still, like I have them in my wallet, my other wallets and my bags and stuff like that, which I actually picked up 2 wallets, and I will do an unboxing of that one soon. But yeah, again, this is the Emilie wallet, and I just love it. I am gonna start using it as soon as possible. So this is 1 full piece of canvas. The glazing on it has it on the sides as so. The zipper is perfect, it doesn't have no problems. It does come with this leather pull tab right here. And again, it's just a snap button closure. And yeah, it's super cute. What I think I'm gonna do is I am going to purchase some matte top coat so I can put it on top of this button, because this is like a leather color button, and a lot of people have like complained that it does like rub off over time, and I don't want that to happen. I can't do anything about returning it or anything like that, because I do have it hot stamped anyways, which I don't plan on returning it at all. I mean, I love it. And it does match my purse. I'm gonna have my purse right here. Let me just show you. So it does match in the inside. I do have quite a lot of stuff in my purse, so maybe I'll do a what's in my bag video soon. But yeah, again, this is just the wallet that I'm going to be using for a while, because of course I do have the Never Full. I do want a bigger wallet. I do like bigger wallets. I don't know what it is about it that I just like to have. I only have 1 compact wallet, but again, I am gonna do an unboxing of that one next. So yeah, this is just it. And a lot of people, they say that they don't really like it because I guess they have like some issues, some glazing issues and anything like that. But I mean, I love it. Mine was made in the US, which is why it does not have like made in Spain, made in France, which I honestly don't mind where mine is made at. I'm not very picky. As long as the quality is good and it doesn't it doesn't have any defects, stuff like that. So yeah, these are just the two little Louis Vuitton prints right there. It doesn't have any on the back. There's no pocket on the back. And yeah, so this is just my overall unboxing. I might do like a update in like maybe a couple months or so, just to, you know, let y'all know how this is going, how it's wearing, anything like that. So yeah, so again, this is just the wallet I'm going to be using. After I am done filming this video, I am going to put all of my my items in there. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, comment down below if there's anything that you would like to see. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, I'm so glad to be starting out and you know, learning as I go. So again, I hope everybody likes this video. Please join me on my journey, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.